Okay, so today we're going to look at a pranayama technique called Bashriki. And this one, I personally think, I use this a lot in my morning classes. It's a really wonderful way of stimulating, bringing clarity and focus. And when we do it first thing in the morning, it really just helps, stimulate and invigorate. Quite often, though, if you're doing this in the morning, you might need some tissues because it gets everything moving. So, you might need to just have a little blowout through the nose at some point. Okay, so find a comfortable seat. Again, you could be sitting on a chair, on your sofa, on your bed, wherever you are. Tell me where you are. Drop me a message in the comments below. And so Bashriki is alternate nostril breathing. So Nadi Sholna, it's balancing the left and right side of the brain. So it's a combination of two breathing techniques. So alternate nostril breathing. And there's a video just on alternate nostril breathing. So if you're not sure, I explain it in depth on a different video. So if you want to look at that, you can. And then we go into keeping one nostril, keeping the right nostril closed first. And it's an even inhale and exhale. So it sounds like this. And then we swap sides. I'm not doing the fingers right here. I just want to show you. That'll be the thumb. And you're closing the nostril at the bridge of the nostril. It's not right here at the entry point, but it's up here at the bridge. And you're just sealing the passageway. Okay, so we do 10 on the left, 10 on the right. And then we bring the right hand down and we do 10 even inhales and exhales, which actually is the breath of fire through both nostrils. And then we're going to repeat that 3 times. And as your practice evolves, and if you have more time, you can just continue to do it because there's so many benefits for breath work. It's another form of meditation, but it helps you to breathe more consciously into the body. And when we're breathing more consciously into the body, we're moving stagnation and trapped stories and just old stuff, emotions and trauma and stuff that the body's holding onto. We really want to just shift it. And most diseases, and I mean dis-ease as in discomfort, comes from stagnation in the belly. So we're really just trying to breathe as deep as we can. Think about breathing down into your lungs, breathing into the small intestine, the large intestine, your kidneys, your liver, all the way down to your hips. And even in some techniques that I use in my classes, I have you breathing down the legs and through your feet and through the palms of your arms. It's really just so healing and nourishing for your nervous system, for your mind, body, soul connection. So let's get started. Sit up nice and tall. You can lean into a wall, feet on the ground if you're in a chair, uncross your legs. And bring the hands together at prayer. And take the prayer to the third eye, just finding that connection to yourself, to your higher self, and really honor yourself for showing up and, doing these self-care practices. Carving out the time to be here is the hardest part of it all. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And open the mouth, sigh it out. And again, deepest breath in. Open mouth, sigh it out. Squeeze all the breath out of the belly. And deepest breath in. Keep the lips closed, exhale through the nose. Pause and hold the breath out. Releasing your left hand down on your thigh, right hand alongside the face. Alternate nostril breathing, a couple of options. Peace fingers. Some people like to bring them to the third eye. Thumb on the right nostril, ring finger left. And again, the thumb is at the bridge of the nostril here. Okay, I personally like to bring the fingers to the palm. Sit up nice and tall. And inhale through both nostrils. Close off the right nostril. Exhale through the left. All you need to do is listen to my voice. I invite you to close the eyes down. Inhale left. Close off the left nostril. Exhale through the right. Inhale right. Close off the right nostril. Exhale left. And that is one full cycle. Inhale left. Close off the left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. Two cycles, inhale left. Now you could be breathing a little faster or a little slower than me, so just honor where you're at. Close off the left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. Let's take one last cycle here. Inhale left. Pause and switch, exhale right. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. Moving into Bashriki, even inhale, exhale. Keep the right nostril closed. Inhale through the left. Close off the left nostril. Exhale through the right. Squeezing all the breath out of the lower belly. Even inhale, exhale, Bashriki. Inhale through the right. Right hand down, exhale through both, lips closed. Even inhale, exhale. Good. Inhale through both nostrils. Bring the right hand up, right nostril closed. Exhale through the left. Inhale left. Close off the left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. Inhale left. Close off the left, exhale right. Inhale right. Pause and switch, exhale left. Inhale left. Close off the left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. Inhale left. Pause and switch, exhale right. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. One last cycle, inhale left. Close off the left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. Follow the breath to the bottom till all the breath is out. Keep the right nostril closed, even inhale, exhale. Inhale left. Close off the left nostril, exhale through the right. Inhale right, even inhale, exhale. Inhale right. Lips closed, exhale through both. Squeezing all the breath out of the belly. Inhale, exhale through both. Breath of fire. One last round. Inhale through both nostrils. Bring the right hand up, close off the right nostril, exhale through the left. Alternate nostril breathing, inhale left. Close off the left, exhale right. Inhale right. Pause and switch, exhale left. Just follow the rhythm of your breath, inhale left. Pause and switch, exhale right. Inhale right. Pause and shift, exhale left. 2 more cycles here, inhale left. Close off the left, exhale right. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. Last cycle, inhale left. Pause and shift, exhale right. Inhale right. Close off the right, exhale left. Vashriki, keep the left nostril closed, even inhale, exhale. You want to feel like you're pressing the breath from the bottom of the belly. Inhale left. Close off the left, exhale, right. Follow the breath to the bottom, even inhale, exhale. Inhale through the left, through the right. Right hand down, exhale through both nostrils, lips closed. Breath of fire, Kapabali, inhale, exhale for 10. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Open the mouth, stick out the tongue, lion's breath. And just let your energy settle here. Take a moment to pause. I find this pranayama technique very stimulating. I can feel a lot of energy moving and surging through my body. I can feel like a tingling in my fingertips. Just notice if you can feel this. And don't worry if you can't. The more you practice this, the more sensations you will feel. But know that the breath is working, even if sometimes it feels like it might not be doing anything. It really is calming the nervous system. And inhale, bring the hands to prayer, bow chin to chest. Just take a moment for showing up, for doing the work. This is where your transformation happens. You are on the right path. Namaste.